For these problems, I worked on ELG release test problems from 3rd grade all the way up to 6th grade. And I chose problems that I thought would be difficult for me. So, on the 3rd grade test, I chose problems 2, 3, and 7. Two and 6 are difficult for me because they dealt with fractions, and that's something I have the hardest time with. So basically, for number 2, it says which figure shows an equivalent fraction to 2/6. So I had to figure out what fraction figure was equal to 2/6. And basically, they had different models shaded in. And split up in different ways, and had to figure out which one matched. And then I thought about it, and I figured out that basically, I just needed to simplify 2/6. And I simplified 2/6 by dividing each number by 2, and I got 1/3. So I found out the equivalent fraction would be A, 1/3. And this is the model that was represented on there, and this is the model I chose. Number 6, it says which fraction of the figure is shaded. So this is the figure they gave us. It was a slanted square with triangles in it. And we have to figure out what fraction of the figure was shaded. So, in my mind, I split up the figure like it was a box. And I combined each of the triangles into little boxes inside the big box. So basically, I drew a line that came out to here. So across here, it will be 1/2. So each of these sides will be 1/2. And I split it again up this way. And I realized that these boxes right here would each be 1/4. And I saw that each shaded part, if you put it together, it would be 1/4. So that's how I got my answer as 1/4. So I chose A on that problem. The second problem, the 7th problem on the test is one that I chose also. And it says a figure is 4 units long and 4 units wide. Which measurements describe a rectangle that has the same area as the figure? So for area of a rectangle, I would have to multiply length times width. So 4 times 4 gives you 16. And I had to figure out which sentence would give me an area of 15. And I looked down and saw that 8 units long and 2 units wide. And that 8 times 2 gives you 16. So I chose B. 8 units long and 8 units wide as my answer. I also chose number 12, which says Amy shaded some parts of this poster. What fraction of the poster is shaded? And I chose D, 2/5, because I realized that half of the poster was shaded in. And that basically this little square wasn't shaded in, so I had to figure out what it was. So I figured that if no lines would separate the bars horizontally, that basically a square like this would be considered 1/4. So I knew that one square like this altogether without this bar in the middle would be 1/4. So I realized that if you split it again,